Hello, welcome to my channel. Je m'appelle Brigitte et aujourd'hui, je fais des masques pour Halloween. Mais ces masques peuvent être utilisés pour un bal masqué ou pour le carnaval. Réchauffez votre pistolet à colle chaude, on commence. Pour le premier masque, je commence par couvrir la photocopie d'un masque avec un sac de plastique transparent récupéré. Puis, avec mon pistolet à colle chaude, je dessine le masque. Et je le laisse refroidir. Ici, j'ajoute des paillettes, mais vous pouvez ajouter des perles de cristal. Crystal beads. Maintenant, je libère le masque du sac de plastique. J'ajoute maintenant les bracelets de cheville que j'ai achetés et qui vont me servir de bordure pour mon masque. Il est temps d'ajouter les rubans. There you go. For the second mask, I start by covering the photocopy of a mask with a clear plastic bag. Then, with my hot glue gun and a stick of black glue, I draw the mask. Here, I add glitter, but you can add crystal beads. Now, I release the mask from the plastic bag. It's time to add the ribbons. There you go. For the third mask, I use the prototype of a mask to make a simplified model. Here, I use vellum paper because this paper is stronger than tracing paper. I cover my photocopy with vellum paper and draw my simplified model of the mask. When it's done, I cover my model with a transparent plastic bag. Then, with my hot glue gun, I draw the mask. Now, I release the mask from the plastic bag. Tip and tricks. When you open a bottle of paint for the first time, take care to oil the thread of the bottle so the paint will not stick to it and you will not have a problem to open it after that. Here I paint the mask with a very powerful phosphorescent acrylic paint. It's time to add the ribbons. There you go. If you like this video, click like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Thank you.